have the DLNA protocol supported as well through the eSCAF, so you can actually stream the video content or the audio content from any other device through DLNA. That is supported, and any other phone which supports DLNA which will work with this one. And you have functionality to open Office documents, you have functionality to play video files, you can play audio files as well, you can connect to Dropbox, you can go and do browsing on this device, you can use it to take photos from your device, and that photos will be live broadcasted to your TV through eSCAF. And you can use it with projector, you can use it with a smartphone, you can use it with a tablet, and you can also use it with a laptop as well, once it is running Windows or even Mac OS. So it is supported, you just need to download the software for that. So over here we have the package which looks like this, and to set it up you just need to go to this URL. The connectivity will be like this. You need to connect this part to the HDMI port on the TV, and the other USB part needs to go to the USB port on the TV so that you can power it on. It does need some power, or you can use a universal USB charger by plugging this cable to the charger and then later on using that charger to give this device the power. So you can use a USB charger like this, and once you connect it like this you can plug it into a power port, and this is how this will get, the eSCAF will get the power. Or you can simply plug this cable over here on the USB port on your TV itself, and this is the receiver through which all the action happens. So this is the Wi-Fi receiver through which the mirroring takes place, through which all the signals from your device are being given to the eSCAF, and then you can see the thing on your TV through this device. So this is how it will work with this wireless Wi-Fi receiver. And once you connect it to your TV, you just need to go to this URL to watch the video how to set it up. That video is like very simple, which you can use. You just need to download the eSCAF app. You can download it not only on Windows but on Mac OS, but also on Android and iOS as well. So the application eSCAF app, there is one application called eSCAF app Pro and the other one is called eSCAF. So you have to download the eSCAF app in order to configure this, and once you have downloaded you can connect it to TV. So let me just demonstrate the functionality, what all you can do with the eSCAF once you. So we have an iPhone 6 over there, and in order to connect the device to the eSCAF, you need to basically go and connect to this Wi-Fi network which is created by the eSCAF itself. And once you tap over here, it will try to connect, and the password which you will need to enter is also being displayed over there, which you can read and type it. And we have already connected this device earlier, that is why it has connected. And once you have connected it, you just need to go and launch the eSCAF app to start streaming content from your device to this. So we have this device detected over there, both of them are on the same Wi-Fi. So once it is connected, this is how it will show you the options with which you can actually have a photo being broadcast to your TV. The camera view will also be there as a viewfinder. You can actually see things over there. So this is how I can take a photo right away of the same monitor which I'm using from this device. And once I do that, I can basically record a video as well, take a photo like this, and then later on see the photo right away directly onto the device, which is a very good thing. So let me just go back to the eSCAF options, and this is how other options are there. You have options to play the music on your TV, play the videos from your device. You can go and do the browsing. You can use the cloud storage space as well. You can comment over this device. They have a community in place as well. And in case you would like to do mirroring, you can do that. So for iOS devices, you have this functionality of doing the mirroring using the Ease Air functionality. You have DLNA support as well on this device. So let's do it with an Android phone now. So on an Android device like this, in order to connect, you just need to install the eSCAF app, and then you need to tap over here, and then it will show you your eSCAF device after searching. And once you select that, it will be connected, and this is how you can connect easily. Again, for the first time if you're connecting, it may ask you the password. Again, that password is written over there. You can use that. So similarly, you can use it with an Android device like this. And over here, if I play a video from the videos which we have on this phone, I can basically play a video which I recorded at the launch event, and as you can see, this is how the video will get played. The wireless streaming is pretty good. Right now you cannot hear the audio because the monitor with which we have connected the EaseCast does not have any speaker, but you will get the sound as well without any issues. And you can forward this video, you can increase and decrease the volume from here directly, and buffering is pretty quick. I do not see any lag. I would say in terms of streaming, this device is better than Chromecast which we have. So let me just give you some other scenario in which I put a photo from this device. So we have some camera photos from this device which we have taken, and I can show this camera photo over there. So this is how the photo will appear in full screen, and you can change the photos like this. I've taken some photos of the Nexus 6 and the iPhone 6 over there, and this is how you can see the photos pretty quickly on this device without any kind of issues or without any kind of lag. Now in order to do mirroring from your smartphone through EaseCast on your display monitor, you first of all need to select this option which is called EZ Mirror, and once you select this option you need to turn it on. Once you turn it on, it will take you directly to the Wi-Fi settings, and you need to come back from there, and here you need to see the cast screen, and cast screen option is normally available under display settings on the device, and I can show you that. So for accessing the cast screen option, you need to go under display settings, and here you will see the cast screen, and here you need to select the EaseCast, and once it is connected, it will show the display right away on your monitor. It will take some time, approximately a minute, to get connected, and once it is connected you will see the display like this, and this is how the mirroring will happen on the device to the TV. So in case you are watching a video, let me just play a YouTube video so that you can see whether the YouTube video lags in this case or not when you play it through mirroring. And in case you would like to see the video in full screen, you can always hold the phone like this. Again, the resolution at which the video is getting played over there is not the same resolution. It is getting played in high definition over there, but not the same resolution is there. That is a downgraded resolution which is automatically happening, but the video is clear. And in terms of any kind of lag or buffering, I would say it is almost the same. There is no lag. I would say that this device is actually better than the Chromecast which we tested earlier, and the lag is not there on this device with the EaseCast when we are using mirroring, but this lag was there, and especially you will see some audio lag over there when you play a video like this from the device to the TV or the monitor. If you are doing it with Chromecast, if you do it with EaseCast, you will not see any kind of lag, and it is almost quick, and there is no lag, there is no problem, and it gives you a lot more functionality and a lot more room to do many things, which is good. So that's all from us as far as the quick hands-on review and unboxing of the EaseCast device, which is a wireless display device. Do let us know if you have any specific question for this device. We would love to help you. Thanks for watching this video. This is Abhishek signing off. Thank you.